The Paulin family started their business in a very small store downtown Toronto on Yonge Street. They started selling automotive parts and the business began to bloom and they expanded out into Scarborough.
Long-Lok was acquired by H. Paulin and Company Limited in 1969. This plant applies 13 various adhesives and sealants to threaded products, including steel, aluminum, brass, stainless steel, and plastic fasteners.
We have three primary processes. One's a Long-Lok insert, a 3M coating, and a Loctite coating. We are the only company in Canada licensed to do those three processes. So if anyone wants them to be done, they have to come to us.
Not only does Long-Lok offer adhesive coating, but we now offer powder coating to small hardware.
Long-Lok has the ability to design and build specific equipment for unique parts. We are capable of very quick turnarounds and are able to adjust to customer emergencies.
Long-Lok has installed a vision system which provides 100% inspection for the adhesive coating. We strive to deliver excellent product.
Since we're an ISO registered company, we have procedures and policies in place to maintain a high standard of quality on our products.
Our quality system checks the parts coming in on receiving. We have inspection during the process, and we have final inspection by the QA technician to ensure that all parts going out meet the specifications as per order. We provide 100% inspection for all the parts processed here at this facility.
We have an excellent quality record over the last 15 or 20 years. It's probably the highest in the industry. Our customer service is right up there. We try to do whatever we can to satisfy the customer's needs, and we do have flexibility to handle a very wide variety of work and workload.
We provide excellent quality and communication to all of our customers.
You can always rely on high quality from us.